What's up everyone, Jason at Canyon Adventure Vans, and today I'm going to show you how to take out the OEM stock mattress out of your Winnebago Revel and put in our custom Luxe mattress. Okay, so let's get started. First thing you're going to do is basically you're just turning this into like a taco and slide it out, and that's it. Pretty simple. These mattresses are very inexpensive. They're use the cheapest foam possible, and what our Luxe does is just gives you an upgraded version. It's 6 inches thick. There's memory foam. We use the best foams possible. We use the best covers as well that are water repellent and mildew and resistant on the bottom. So we also have an Ultra Luxe too, which we'll do a video on. That's our home mattress. But let's get rid of this. And then the next thing, if you look over here, we have the bolsters for each side. We'll do that last, but I'll show you that. Those will go on each end. And then we take our mattress here, and generally our logo needs to face either this corner or that corner over there. So it's not a perfect square, and you'll know if you put it in there and you get it wrong. So I'll just fold this like so. Then when I get it in there, I can flip it around and get it to the right spot. So, and that's it. That's how you add the main part of it, okay? And then when you get it out of the box too, these are all compressed in there for shipping to be able to make the smallest boxes possible for shipping. So sometimes it'll take about 24 hours for it to form back into its natural position, okay? So next thing I'm gonna do is raise the bed. You can stay there. All right, and then let's work on our bolsters. So there's two sizes, a smaller size, and a larger size. Smaller goes on the passenger, larger will go up here on this one. So what I like to do first is just fit it in here, just like that. And then what I'll do is I'll peel these little Velcro strips. And this is just keeping it from falling off, right? When you're driving. So what I like to do is do one first, and I kind of want to push it in, right? If I just naturally let it fall down, it's going to stick out too far, and when the bed comes down, it's going to get caught on it. So I'll do one, kind of center it, push it all the way to the back of the wall, just like that, and then push down on it. Okay? Then I'll come over here. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna peel this. I'm gonna push it in so it's basically almost flush. Push that down. Do the same thing on this one. Push that in as far as I can. Okay. Okay, then I'll come back. I'll hold that Velcro down and peel this up. Make sure you hold it down, because otherwise when you start peeling, it could pop back up because you haven't pushed it down really to give it a good adhesion. See, like that wants to come up. At least I know, now I know where they need to be. So I'll straighten that out. Okay, those are all nice and good. So now I can come in here and then push my bolster in just like that. Okay, that side's done. We'll do the same thing over here. A little dry fit. Make sure everything's good. Let's start right here. Peel this. Go right up against that window. Again, I'm trying to push it in as far as I can so it's basically flush, which we don't want it flush. We want it to come out, but it'll naturally come out when you do that. We just don't want to. We don't want to just lay it down flat and then let it stick out too far. So I would definitely want to push it in, because that's where it's going to go. Push down on that Velcro. Same thing here, push in and down. Okay, now once I have it in there, I can peel it back up. Kind of work my fingers holding down the Velcro on top of your bed risers. Now, if you don't have bed risers, you're gonna have snaps. So if you don't have the bed risers, these will just go back in where your regular OEM bolsters went, and you'll just snap it in place. And then these would be 6-inch pieces. So this would be doubled up, so that way it has a snap. And then this is the 3-inch bolster for when you have bed risers. Okay, so now I'm going to push that in. Just like that. And that's it. That's how you install the driver's side bolster, the passenger side bolster, and then the main bed up top. And then let's bring this down so you can see what it looks like. So there you go. You get a nice clean fit, nice and tight, and it's a world of difference. You know, a good night's sleep in an RV or in your adventure van is super important. You're out there hiking and fishing and riding dirt bikes, whatever it is, climbing. To be able to come back and get a really good night's sleep in your van, to me, is priceless. So if you like this content, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment. The description of this product will be down there as well, along with the links to all of our social media platforms and websites and how to contact our office. So we're going to continue to put out really cool content to help educate you before you make purchases. So we'll see you on the next video.